Okay, we look now our hardware systems, and we know something about TIA portal systems, and we know device configuration. We say about the signal boards, and I can show you some signal boards here. You can see here we have one signal board and this thermocouple for using thermocouple, and this thermocouple signal boards we can put here and like this, and now we have this thermocouple input here, and we must come our hardware hardware systems, and we must find our signal boards. Here is signal boards, and we have an analog input, and this one thermocouple signal boards here. When I push this signal boards, you can see this here blue parts, and I will drag and drop here, and now I have one thermocouple input, and you can see here address. We say when we change this hardware, we must make download the device hardware and software. I make it again download hardware and software, and this TIA portal say will stop all module, and now I'll loading configuration, and I make it finish, and my all module is now ready. Our system, and we can look what happened now. Now we download your software, and you can see here we have some fault. This mean or this signal boards we must change device, and here we must change version. I change version, and I will try to download device hardware and software. Every time we must look our hardware. If we use not right version, or CPU will give fault, and our CPU will give the fault. Now this analog input modules properties we can look here, and I will say this channel 0, this channel 0, I will say this not give deactivated, because this will give us broken wire or overflow diagnostics. I will make deactivate now, and I will load software again. I make finish. Now our thermocouple module is connected to our systems. You can see here green LED, and all hardware is right now, and we don't have any problem, and we can again make it go online, and we will see here everything is okay. Our thermocouple address, you can see here 8. We can see here our thermocouple address, and we will start creating program. First, our basic project, we will use main organization block, and after we can see after we will learn how add new block system here. When I push add new block, you can see organization block, function and data block, or this basic or this basic basic video. We will use organization block and data block, and next version or next training system, we will use function block and functions. So this here I will make it go offline, and I will try to explain these addressing systems about Siemens. Now, Siemens use byte addressing system. This means all 8 bits have different byte number. So this byte 0 and this start 0 bit and 1 bit, 2 bit, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 bit. So this 8 bit or first byte. And if I want to use this 0 bit and this if this input addressing, I must say 0 byte and 0 byte and 0 bytes bit. So I must say I 0.0. When we look at our program and we look device configuration, you can see here addressing start 0. If I make it this addressing start 5, you can see here or addressing it start 5 byte. So I will again make it 0. So my first input is 0.0. Again, we can look this picture or graphic, and this all bytes have 8 bit. 0 bit is if I talk about output, this again I must say Q 0.0. This is my first output. We can look here again. Or output start 0 address. So if I want use this first output, I must use addressing Q 0.0. And always we will use memory bit and memory for creating program. After you will see when we creating program, we must use memory bits or memory area because when we create program, all time we will have all time we will need some bits. This is not physical bits, or this is not physical area. Because of this, we will use all time memory bit, and we can make memory bit modify, and we can look how our program works. So after I will talk about this, and this 2 byte, we will after using this memory area, this 2 bytes and this word, and this 4 bytes we will say double word. So when we using these number systems, or when we need the memory area, we will use this word area, double word area. Now we know our first input is I 0.0, or digital output Q 0.0, or first memory bit M 0.0. So let's start our first program. I come main organization block. When I push main organization block, we can see right side instructions, and these instructions have basic instructions, and we will first learn these bit logic operations instructions. And this first normally open contact. This mean if we talk about push button, this mean when we push this button, this will be activate, this will be true. And another segment or relay we will put here relay, and our first program is ready now. And this all command needs addressing. This you can see here, this red text, and this red text mean we have some fault. I want to use here first memory bit. You know, bit inside, we can write inside bit area 0 or 1. 0 means false, 1 means true. So if this normally open contact true, after this relay will be open. I will use here M0.0 and open this. I want to make true or make activate or first output in Q0.0, and I write my first network. You can see here TIA portal give automatically name. This take a memory 0.0 name is take 1, and my first output is Q0.0 is take 2. So if I make right click and rename tag, I can give name. I will give name start button, and I will give here the name lamp 1. When I make true this start button, or when I make it activate this start button, and my lamp will be open, and my lamp will lighting, and I will make it Dovland device. This button only Dovland or software. I will this TIA portal say this constant Dovland, so this program will not stop at my CPU or don't make anything or hardware. I make load. I push load button, and now my software inside in our CPU. Here I push go online, and we can see our program. When we want monitoring and viewing our network systems, we can use this button, monitoring on and off, and we can see here our network. This all memory area, we can change all memory area value. I make a right click start button and modify to 1. I can change memories value. I make it modify 1, and you can see here our first output is now true. When I make it modify 0, you can see here our output is now off. So our first program like this. After next video we will continue. See you.